It can be placed almost anywhere, unseen. Worried about burglars or package thieves? The camera will see them coming. It records at 1080p and with features like night vision, motion detection, and loop recording to stay protective whenever trouble comes knocking. Nothing will ever get past, no matter what time of day or any place that needs that additional safety. This little camera has it all. I can use it as a nanny cam or even a body cam. It really gives me the peace of mind I need when I'm not always home. So to keep my home safe, Mini ING camera is the #1 solution.